लैक ऑफ स्लीप कैन इम्पैक्ट योर मेमोरी एंड परसेप्शन। ये बात हम सबने सुनी हुई है। कोरोना वायरस में काफी लोगों को बहुत कुछ इम्पैक्ट हुआ, किसी किसी की लाइफ पूरी हिल गई। बट जो सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन चीज सामने आई है वो है सबके स्लीप पैटर्न काफी खराब हो चुके हैं। और ये भी सजेस्ट किया जा रहा है कि कोरोना वायरस की वजह से काफी लोग अपनी स्लीप में बहुत ज्यादा चेंजेस देख रहे हैं। दैट मीन्स जितनी यूजुअली चाहिए उतना भी नहीं सो पा रहे हैं। दैट मीन्स दे आर फेसिंग सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स व्हाइल ट्राइंग टू स्लीप। Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is all about tips based on how to sleep properly, how to get a soundful sleep. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Tip number 1, in order to get soundful sleep, mind your dinner. That means whenever you're planning to go for dinner, take it as early as possible. और हमेशा ट्राई करें कि आप अपने डिनर को लाइट रखें। इट शुड नॉट बी हैवी बिकॉज हैवी डिनर विल मेक यू ड्राउजी एंड विल इम्पैक्ट योर डाइजेशन ऑल्सो। दैट मीन्स इफ योर डाइजेशन इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, it will definitely impact your overall sleep pattern because you won't be able to sleep properly. So in order to get a better sleep, please mind your dinner. Have it as early as possible and have a light meal. Tip number 2, make your bed. I know it might sound funny to you, but actually making your bed can improve the quality of your sleep. So always try to make your bed before sleep because a well-made bed will allow you to crawl into the bed and sleep quickly as soon as possible. So it is suggested that you make your bed every day before sleep because it will give you a quality of sleep. At the same time, it will give you a comfort and a happiness while you are sleeping. Tip number 3, do not drink too much water. Now you will be saying that everybody suggests that you should drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Yeah, that's correct. You should drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day. But try to consume your maximum amount of water during the day itself. During the night, try to consume less because if you will consume more water, you will be rushing to the washroom more often. So it is advisable in order to get a better sleep that you drink your water quantity more in the day and lesser towards the night. Tip number 4, keep aside all the electronic items at least half an hour before going to the bed. Everybody suggests this. And why they suggest? Because obviously when you use your electronic items like phone, laptop and everything, the light coming from these electronics gives a signal to your brain that it is the active time and your brain becomes active. The moment you switch off all these things before going to the bed, it will allow you to sleep faster and sleep peacefully. And if you have some important work, like you cannot just keep aside your phone or laptop just half an hour before, try to consume as less as possible. And if you cannot just avoid it, try using the reading mode in your gadget so that it does not hamper your sleep pattern. Because the moment you will be going for sleep, your brain should get a signal that it's time to sleep, not it's time to be active. Tip number 5, meditate. Meditation is something which everybody should practice, irrespective of the timing. कोई particular time नहीं होता meditation करने का, बट आप इस चीज को एक हैबिट बना सकते हैं। जब भी आप सोने जा रहे हैं, indulge yourself in meditation for minimum 5 minutes. So that it will just calm your mind. Whatever you were thinking throughout the day, it will make you calmer so that you can sleep peacefully. So it is important that you meditate at least for 5 minutes, if not more than that, in order to have a soundful sleep. Now comes my bonus tip. Always show gratitude. I know it might sound fancy to you, but I cannot even tell you. The moment you will show gratitude, it will fill you with love, satisfaction and peace. That you, whatever you have, you are satisfied with that. You are happy with that. And thanking the universe for whatever you have is the best feeling ever. So always try to do this before going to the bed. These are some of the ways I try every day while going to the bed. And if you want to give it a try, you can choose one or you can follow all these 5s. I hope that they will help you in some or the other way and you will have a soundful sleep. If you are able to do that, just let me know in the comment section that because of these things you practiced and you had a very good sleep. And if you really like this video, share with your family and friends so that if they are facing the sleep problem, उनकी भी ठीक हो जाए और उनको भी बहुत अच्छी sleep मिले. And kindly subscribe to my channel so that next time whenever I'll be uploading a good video, you will get a notification from our side.